Namaste, welcome to all. Today we'll discuss about onto function, and it is also called surjection, whereas one function is called injunction. Okay, a function f maps a to b is said to be a onto function if the images of a, how we will denote f of a, okay, is equal to b. That means f is onto only when the range set of all images are equal to the elements codomain, range equal to codomain. That is, f is onto if every element of B, that is a codomain, is the image of at least one element of A. A means domain of F. Okay. This algebraically, when we want to prove any example, means we can write like this. For every y belongs to B, and what quantifier we can use for all or for every? This quantifier. There is, okay, at least one. Okay, at least there exist also, you can say. There exist quantifier. Instead of all these things, we can write there exist. For all y belongs to B, there exists x belongs to A such that f of x is y. Okay. We can use the quantifier C. That also we told in our previous videos. I'll share the link in description. And what is the condition for onto function means n of A should have more elements than n of B's. Then only we'll get onto functions. Okay. Number of number of onto functions we wanted. There is no direct formula, but number of functions we are having formula no? N of B, okay, whole power n of A. From that we have to reduce number of into functions. Okay, we'll give some illustrations so that we'll get more clarity. Okay, we took one example, see. Okay, here number of into functions. Okay, when it won't satisfy that condition, it is into function. Here we'll see it. Okay, we'll see in the illustration. Okay. Okay, here set A contains x, y, z and set B contains 1, 2. Okay, here we can, it can form onto functions only. There will be no 1, 1 because n of B, okay, n of A is greater than n of A, no? Or 1, 1 functions are not possible. See here, all elements can be can associated with only one element, no? Okay, okay. This is number of functions I am writing, not onto. Okay, first I'll write, see, here you told n of B whole power, n of A, number of functions you'll get. So 8 functions will get. I'm listing all that. I'm writing arrow diagram for all functions. Then in that, how many onto are there, we'll see. Okay. Here, see, first two elements can associated with first element, and this Z can associated with 2. And the first two element can associate with 2, no? Okay, this is also one function. F3 will name it as F3. And next, see, this last two elements can associate with 1. And the last two element can associate with 2, no? This is F5 and F6, how I will write, no? First and last elements can associate with 1. Y with 2. And 1 minute. Here, first and last elements can associate with 2 now. Y with 1. This is one arrangement or one function. Next, see, all elements can associate with 2. See. This is also one function. Okay. 1 minute. I'll reduce the size so that how many onto functions are there, how many into functions are there, we can see. Okay. So when here see, here this 2 is not associated with any element. So here domain is different, codomain is different, and range is different. See. Range, it is a constant function, singleton set will be there. Here if you see, what is the range means? It is constant function, that means singleton set. But domain, what you are having? 1, 2. So range is not equal to codomain. It is not a onto function, it is into function, will say. So this is not. Similarly, F8, it is also constant function. These two into remaining, you see. Remaining all cases, the range equal to codomain. F of A equal to FB. So it is, they're all onto functions. How many onto functions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, from what you have to do, from number of functions, you have to reduce this into functions. Then you will get onto functions. When there are 2 elements in codomain, number of functions is 2 power m. From that, how many constant functions will be there? Only 2 constant functions will be there. That 2 if you reduce, then you will get number of onto function. This is formula when the number of elements in codomain are 2 for onto functions. Okay, like this we can find number of onto functions also. Here by this illustration you are clear with onto function and into function also, no? Okay, thanks for watching.